we're gonna go and go check out a chisel plow frame that I bought like 5 years ago and left it in the weeds. And let's go see if we can resurrect that thing and bring it to Big Iron to have our vertical tillage coulter attachments on it. All right, let's go. Well, we had to make a pit stop. We were really hungry. Gotta feed the help, you know. So we grabbed a couple pizzas. It's always dangerous when you bring a coupon book. You gotta, you know, buy one, get one free. So we're gonna have pizza for a few days. All right, now we're gonna go get it. Check out our chisel plow. All right, well, we're here. We thankfully have a good guy on our side. Jake is the owner of the property. You'll see that he actually has a runway right here. I've actually been able to take off with him with an Amity plane when I worked at Amity Technology. I can't remember if we took off or landed here. It was really cool. But Jake's a veteran of the Concord Drills. Jake basically was a big part of the first couple machines. They tested it out here, built it out here. And here's an old chisel plow frame that I remember buying a long time ago and then forgot about. Mostly because I don't know how to haul it. Hi, Jake.
How you doing?
Good. What was the deal with this again? Was it a custom machine or?
No, this was the first Concord ever built.
Whoa! I own the first Concord ever.
Well,
hear that, guys?
They had wings on it, you know, and I junked that.
Was it so bad that you had to junk it?
Well, I just got a 135 horsepower tractor, so that pulled this pretty nice.
Oh, okay. You didn't need it that wide.
Right.
Wow, I didn't know I owned the first Concord ever built.
Yep.
And
this was built on the floor at Amity. Dick Burnell and another guy, they were just working there, and that's those two guys and I built this first one.
That is cool. I love the history. I love to be a part of it.
Yeah.
Just by being associated with you, I get to be a part of it.
Right.
All right. Well, we got to figure out what to do and go from there. How's it going, Dad?
Hanging around waiting for air to build up.
Slow?
Yeah.
Why don't you hurry? Well, this is a cool shop. There's actually a bigger shop over there that we did some projects on. But this farm is just north of town, about 10 miles, so it's really convenient to do testing and have a place you can get out of town and not disturb anybody, not worry about traffic. There's fields all the way around, so there's tractors and land you can test. You can store stuff out here, so just really a sweet setup. All right, let's go get this thing out of the weeds. Check out that gauge. You know, these portable air compressors, as long as you have one in your truck, you never need one, but the second you don't have one, that's when you're gonna need it. But it turns out I might be able to use it today. Look at that bad boy. Good thing I got 40 grit here, or 20 grit. You can keep your trees We do it all already, including fixing turf. Just like when you're golfing, you always got to fix your divots. We don't want anyone to mess up their play, you know. I don't know where this goes. I don't think you'll ever notice that we drug some shanks through his lawn. Hate to make him do that. That wouldn't be very nice. Even though he did it, right? Hey, I wasn't driving, but it is my first Concord. Here we go. Hopefully they hold air. My dad Marvin's gonna be driving it to Fargo. Appreciate it, Jake. As always, good to see you.
Yep.
And we'll let you. You'll probably be a big iron, huh?
Oh, I don't know. I'll go.
Okay. Well, if you do, you'll see it there.
Well, you'll be bringing it back here this afternoon.
The tractor will bring back right away.
Right. Okay.
Yep.
Good.
Yep. Sounds good, Jake. Thank you.
All right.
I better trail him. All right. Well, we got this thing going down the road. Well, we didn't hit any mailboxes or street signs, fire hydrants. I'd say that he did pretty good. 7th Avenue was a bit hairy, but we're here. Let's go look at this thing. We're starting to collect some equipment. Nice job, Dad. You, I don't know if you know this, but you're hitting the curb a few times with the one shank or the one.
I've heard of that.
But you didn't hit anything that I saw. Tires did good. They're a little worn. Hubs are still cold. Man, I tell you what, guys, this first Concord is the real deal. Runs as good as new. Maybe not. This tire's a bit low, but it's still okay. This one I'm missing the grease zerk, and it's a little warmer, but still pretty cool. Yeah, it's did good. Well, sweet. Wait till you see what we're gonna do with this thing. We gotta get this dropped off and get the tractor back. We're paying rental for it, so want to get it back as soon as we can. Owner. We'll just lift that up. It was still hanging on the hitch a little. We'll get the hitch working and it'll come up.